Whether you're a builder building multi-million-dollar projects or a homeowner doing a remodel or putting in new flooring, how do you know that your company or your family is properly protected if something goes wrong? Let's learn more from the experts at Gilbert Insurance Group.
We focus primarily on construction. I think Arizona is a unique market where people are always going to move here, obviously because of the weather, and that's really keeping the construction market strong. The builders we work with haven't really slowed down, so I think construction is always going to be strong here in Arizona. I noticed early on there were a lot of opportunities to make a difference in construction. You know, our contractors can face a lot of challenges with their insurance. They have exposure to large lawsuits for injuries on their job site or construction defect claims. Those challenges are what give us the opportunities to design and invent different strategies and practices so we can help them avoid those breakdowns. We want to make sure our general contractor has the proper coverage in place, but we go a lot further than that. So I invented an offer we call Fail-Safe that helps them make sure their subcontractors also have proper coverage since their work produces the exposure. You know, we've seen it. An uncovered claim caused by a subcontractor can have a horrible effect on both our general contractor and their subcontractor.
Construction can be dangerous. You could be sued if something goes wrong, if someone is injured, or if there is damage caused by defective work. These are not the times you want to discover there were gaps in your contractor's insurance.
What we see is most people buy insurance and they focus primarily on the premium. Nobody likes to pay for insurance, but when something goes wrong, they shift that focus to the coverage. We at Gilbert Insurance Group make sure we're offering our clients that coverage they need. When we first started working with our general contractors, we would help them review their subcontractors' certificates of insurance, and we would end up finding all of these gaps. We saw that as a huge opportunity for us to offer them help. And it's been really exciting for us to develop our fail-safe offer. It's help they really need that they can't find anywhere else. And there are huge benefits to our clients and their subcontractors. The contractors don't realize the challenges when it comes to insurance, so they purchase insurance and then they think that whatever is being given to them takes care of it. There's a lot of underlying gaps that they maybe can't see or focus on, and that's where we kind of come in and give them the knowledge and background where there's gaps in their coverage or exclusions. When it comes to the general contractors, it's the subcontractors that they hire, and if they don't have the proper coverage so that they can transfer the risk to their subs, then the general contractor's on the hook for that.
Inventing and implementing strategic solutions that take care of complex concerns are why businesses trust Gilbert Insurance Group.
Fail-Safe is our offer to general contractors to help them manage their certificates of insurance and transfer that risk back to their subcontractors. We review insurance requirements for their contracts. We train our clients on our cert management software. We review certificates, endorsements, policy language, and then we also focus on educating our clients on the whole process. So we've seen claims that turn into a mess because there were gaps in the subcontractor's insurance. Those claims then get paid by our general contractor's insurance, and then that loss can impact their rates for many years to come. So when we implement Fail-Safe, we find and close the gaps and reduce their exposure, and because of that, we can save them money on their insurance.
Going way beyond what traditional insurance has to offer, Fail-Safe is a complete, effective, and efficient cert management and risk transfer program.
Fail-Safe Next Level is an online portal we developed on our website. There's an instructional video library and tools designed to educate our clients so they can run an effective and efficient certificate management program. You'll find videos where you can gain knowledge about what you need to be looking for with subcontractor certificates, a step-by-step guide on what to do when you look at a certificate, what gaps that may be missing that you aren't seeing on just that first sheet of paper. The videos and the tools help educate the client so that they can learn what they need in order to make sure that their subcontractor is compliant with insurance and making sure that they're mitigating all that risk to the subcontractor for their business. So we designed it to help a person who's in charge of managing certificates to become an expert at it and make their job as easy as possible. We have a full client customer satisfaction service program that we offer our clients We look at their concerns and we help them avoid breakdowns, and then we like to open up spaces of opportunity for them. So our program isn't fulfilling requests, although we do all those things for our clients. We actually look at other things to design ways to take care of their needs.
Gilbert Insurance Group's Failsafe provides a safety net for all stakeholders involved, fostering trust and collaboration.
The Failsafe program that Gilbert Insurance has put together has really made a difference in our security, our ability to make sure we're protecting our clients and making sure our trades are protected as well. It's much more than going out and just getting a quote and saying, oh, well, that's my best price. Until you fully understand every item that's insured or excluded, you really don't know what you have. And so Gilbert Insurance Failsafe program not only helps us protect ourselves, but helps our trades to protect themselves as well. I was like every other builder, 25 years ago, thinking, okay, you give me a certificate of insurance, I'm covered. Failsafe, Aaron, the Gilbert Insurance team has shown us over the years that there's things that are slidden in the policy that if you don't have someone that knows how to read that policy and to review that policy, you can assume you have coverage, but there's loopholes that say, no, you may not have coverage. So there's a lot of levels of that insurance management that Failsafe helps Cullum Homes protect ourselves. I've never had another insurance provider that is looking at the global picture, the comprehensive approach to protecting us, other than just writing a policy, saying, oh yeah, you're covered, and walking away. Gilbert Insurance stays with the policy. They've serviced the policy. It's much more comprehensive service from Gilbert Insurance than anyone we've seen in the industry.
Everything we just talked about for general contractors also goes for you if you're a homeowner who hires a contractor. So maybe you're doing a remodel or a backyard pool and landscaping. You'll want to request the same insurance from those contractors that a general contractor would from their subcontractors. If you go to our website, you'll see a Failsafe portal button at the top of the page. Just click on that and then you'll see a Help for Homeowners link right below the video. So then if you click on that, it'll take you to a short video where I go through why this is also important for a homeowner. Keep an eye out on our Failsafe portal because we're always designing and inventing new offers, new practices to just be a better help to them.
Want to know more about Gilbert Insurance Group? Visit gilbertinsurancegroup.com and visit us at designingspaces.tv.